everyone and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is yet again an Amazon pantry haul. Now this is my first ever Amazon pantry haul in 2021. So I am excited, and are you guys excited? Because I got a lot of things, a lot of good deals on it. And I have just changed my backdrop. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're liking it or not. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So please excuse the crows crawling at the backdrop. So I've got a lot of things. I'm quickly just gonna take a thumbnail so that think this would be fine. I have so many tons of packages to open. Remember last time, while ordering from Amazon pantry, I got a huge box. But this time they did not give me any box, so they did give in such plastics. So the first one, I'm just quickly gonna open which one. So I'm gonna open this too. So I'm gonna open this one first. So remember that all the household commodities and all the household necessities I had ordered through Amazon. So I'm quickly just gonna open. Yeah, so I remember ordering this one because my mom wanted it and she said कि ये बहुत अच्छा होता है. See, look if you can find any in Amazon. So I found it and I quickly ordered it online. So look at this amazing thing. So just look at this amazing thing. What happens is that most of the time we either buy this Scotch Brite, the green one, and we buy it separately, the steel one also. So in this particular deal, I got like major saver pack. It has got 2 green Scotch Brites and it has got 1. So in total, the green Scotch Brites are 6 and I got 3 steel. So it's super good. I will mention all the prices on the screens and all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. So don't worry on that, but I think that I got a very good deal and my mom is super happy with this purchase. Although the things that I'm opening here are for the first time in front of you guys, but I am pretty sure that my mom is gonna love this one. So that went on to be the first product. So the next thing which we have is, okay, yes, I remember ordering this one. So this is Masala Magic, Maggi Masala Magic. It has got 12 sachets of Masala Magic and the MRP which is written over here is 58, but I'll mention on the screen as to which price I paid on this one. We use this most of the time while we are making pasta and we are making noodles or anything. So this is highly required while making pasta and noodles. So I use this most of the time while making all those stuffs. And it's super tasty, super good. If you haven't tried it out already, please go ahead and try it out. And if you are still trying it out, then kudos, we share the same favorites. So the next thing which I have is ketchup. Now ketchup is something which is loved by all in my family and we use a lot of ketchup while making any Chinese dishes or any South Asian dishes. So ketchup is highly important. So this one is from Del Monte and it's tomato ketchup and it is of 950 grams. The MRP which is written over here is rupees 135, but all the prices will be mentioned on screen as to which price I paid. So good one. So this is gonna stay for like 1.5 months, I think so, because my brother is a big fan of ketchup. So next up which we have is this. I'm quickly just gonna open it. I don't know why this time they didn't give any boxes and they gave it in packet. Don't know, maybe because they had a lot of rush. So this is the first thing which came out in my hand. So this is from Savlon and it is Savlon glycerin soap. It is buy 3 and get 1 free. So this is how the soap looks like. So glycerin soap during winters are the best ones. So next which we have, okay, so next we have ordered some toothpaste. I almost always forget what I had ordered. मतलब मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता है कि मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया. फिर उसके बाद जब खोलती हूँ पैकेट तब I realize कि हाँ मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था. So we have this Colgate Swarna Veds Shakti. So this one is a mega safe pack of, it has got 2 into 200, so 400 grams. So the MRP is rupees 170, but I'll mention it on the screen. So this one is supposedly to have all the Ayurvedic ingredients, you know. So yeah, so pudina, kapoor, tulsi and amlaki and everything. So this is supposed to have a very good Ayurvedic kind of a thing going on in your toothpaste. This is what Ved Shakti. I haven't used this one previously because of the TV advertisements I was seeing, so I thought ki let's just give it a try once and see how it's going on to be. So I'll be trying it for the first time. Let me know if you guys use this one. Let me know what is the review of this one, whether you guys like it or not. So again, another toothpaste we ordered is this Close Up toothpaste, and this has got 2 into 150. So this has, that means it has got like 300 grams. This is how it looks like. So this, yeah, this is very common. I think almost so many of you have used this one because this has been going on since like ages. But this Colgate Ved Shakti is a new one. So if you guys are already using this one, let me know in the comment section down below as to how it is. Next up which we have is this Odonil. It's air freshener. So this is how the box looks like. I got 2 because there was this offer, you know, buy 3 and get 1 free. So, and we also got it at very good rate. The MRP which is printed over is 141, but I remember the price of this one, I paid rupees 125 only for each of these. So this has got, I think, 4 different variants. I think it has got jasmine, mystic rose, lavender meadow and one more, orchid dew. So it has got 4 variants and it's absolutely good. I can smell the freshness from the box itself. So we use Odonil a lot, you know, in our bathrooms and in your wardrobe and everything. You can use Odonil. So that is done for this whole packet. So next we have a box. I don't know why this came in a box, but I'm quickly just gonna open it. I almost forget that where I had kept my scissors. So let's just quickly open it. I'm just opening it in front of you guys so that you know, you get to see the actual reaction of the packaging. They do sometimes is like so tough to open ना, तब ऐसा लगता है कि क्या-क्या भर के दिया है इसमें. Okay, so this has got the oil which we ordered. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So this is the oil which we ordered. It's from Figaro extra virgin olive oil and the net quantity is 1 liter. So this is how the oil looks like. It's olive oil. So a lot of the doctors are now recommending ki, you know, you are supposed to eat light and you're supposed to eat from good healthy oil. So I thought previously we always used to have olive oil, but this brand I thought of trying it. So this is from the brand called Figaro. This is olive oil. It's a plastic ka bottle, it's not kaach ka bottle, so there's no point of breakage or anything. So if you guys use this oil in your kitchen, let me know in the comment section down below as to how it is. Obviously saying that it's a Spanish brand, so I hope that it's good. The MRP is rupees 1099, but I remember paying somewhere around 700 for this one. So only this one came in a separate package, separate box actually. Next which we have is a huge packet. So this one has got muesli, which I'm pretty sure. So I'm quickly just gonna open it. Gosh, the Amazon pantry sellotape which they give na, is like so strong. मतलब पता नहीं क्या use करते हैं ये लोग. My goodness. I have ordered a lot of muesli. So the first package which came out, this is of 500 grams And this is Kellogg's muesli with 20% almonds and raisins, and it has got 0% added sugar. So this is how the muesli looks like. This is how it looks like. It has got 0 added sugar. So this has got oats, wheat, corn, barley and rice, and it has got 20% almonds and raisins. So for the 0% sugar one now, I got 2 packets of each. I got 2 packets of each because so then it becomes 1 kg, 500 and 500. So these 2 are done. Next I got another one, which is a different variant. So this one is again, this is a saver pack, and it has got 21% fruit and nuts, peach, raisins, apple, papaya and almonds. So this is how it looks like. This one is my favorite, although I will be trying the 0% sugar for the first time, but this one is my favorite. I have been eating this for a long time. If you have checked out my previous Amazon hauls, you will see कि इसका भी पैकेट मैंने 2 मंगवाया था पहले. For the MRP, I will mention it on the screen as to what I paid, but this is of 750 grams. So this is quite a huge pack, and it will go for 2-3 months, I think so. So this is how it looks like. This one is my favorite. I actually love this one. I hope you're being able to see. So it has also got 5 grains, which is oats, wheat, corn, barley and rice. You can eat it aise, or you can eat it with milk or almond milk, whichever milk you prefer. So this was all of my Amazon pantry haul. Let me know in the comment section down below as to how you did found out. I'm just quickly gonna take one more huge thumbnail. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and also let me know if you guys have any favorite from this, if you guys have anything from the whole haul which I showed, if you guys have it in your household as well, or if you share my favorite as well. Let me know in the comment section down below. So till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.